like your size of robot in your home, which is doing your homework and all?
No, ma'am. No.
You want to do homework by yourself?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So, who wants to make robot now? Everybody wants to make robot?
Yes.
Right. So, we will start with something. So, here what we are having? Here we are having.
Controller.
I will explain.
I mean, it is using AI.
Yes, it is using AI. AI, artificial intelligence, right? It is using some intelligence,
Yes.
right? And you are making it, so you can say it's an AI product or AI is used. Okay? So here this is a small robot. Here you are having two motors, small motors. What we call, we are operating it with the small battery over here, right? So battery is 9-volt battery. So 9-volt is the voltage of this battery. Move this. So without any.
Is it a magnet?
No, it's a ball. It's a metal. It's a metal.
Is this used here for balancing?
Yes, it is used for balancing. So now, when you are driving a bicycle, what is happening? When you are like very small child, you were like balancing yourself.
Yes.
So when you started first time riding a bicycle, you were balancing.